can't.
Do not fight me.
I can't. I'm sorry. No, I can't.
I will tase you if you do not stop. Turn around!
Please, no, please. Please, no.
Inside a Walmart security room in Florida, a 33-year-old woman waits as her cart is totaled. One number decides if she walks out or leaves in handcuffs.
She tried to push out. We're getting the trade and receipt right now.
Okay.
There's a big W.
You have your ID on you?
I don't have my ID. I do not have my ID.
What's your first name?
Kallie.
Kallie?
Yes. CIS.
What's your date of birth?
13192.
Hey, I got a name, date of birth for you. It is, first name's Callie, last name, I'll just spell it for you. Charlie, India, Foxtrot, 1/31/1992. White female. Do you know how much the total is?
Not yet.
Alright.
How much more is there?
Change the climate of the room.
Y'all watch these the whole time? Y'all watch these all the time?
Watch what?
These.
Sometimes.
So that one lady has not scanned one thing, has put a bunch in her bag. The one in the red right there.
Oh yeah, she's doing smart.
Oh, okay. Okay. I wouldn't be able to tell between.
Because like, in reality, they could just grab whatever they want
Yeah.
and load up.
Does he know if it's over 750?
Is it over 750? 1300.
Okay. Go ahead and stand up. You're going with me. They want charges pressed and it's over 750, which makes it a felony.
Florida's felony theft line is $750. Her cart hit $1,313, nearly double, making this grand theft under Florida statutes section 812.014.
Yeah, 2 seconds.
Go ahead and stand up. Come on. I'm sorry. Well, you're going to have to.
No, I can't.
Do not fight me.
I can't. I'm sorry. No, I can't.
I will tase you if you do not stop. Turn around!
Please, no, please. Please, no. I can't.
Woman.
I'm sorry, I can't breathe, no. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't.
Would you like to be tased? Get up and turn around.
I can't.
Then turn around.
I can't.
Turn around. Stop!
Please stop! I have seizures. I can't
Stop!
I can't.
It's like you're doing this to
I
yourself.
can't. I can't. I can't. I can't.
Why are you crying?
Because you don't know what I'm going on. I can't do it. I can't.
Would you like to talk to me and settle down?
I can't.
You can't settle down.
I can't go to jail. I can't go to jail. I can't.
Calm down.
I can't go to jail. I can't. I can't go to jail.
You realize this is not beyond. This is beyond me now.
I can't. I can't go to jail.
5397.
I can't.
5397.
I need another unit. 77. I have a female fighting. You're not moving.
You want me to stand up?
No, I want you to sit down.
5448, you can show me 1097.
I will take you. Sit down.
Ow!
5448, 5397, where you at?
Stop. I'm in Walmart.
No! I can't. I cannot. I can't go!
5448, what was it? They were in the
I've tased her twice.
Stay your fucking ass down, you Give me the cuffs.
They're over there.
No!
I don't want to get this door.
Stop.
Settle down.
No!
Stop.
No!
Where are your cuffs?
No!
Get him on.
No! No!
5448.
5448.
I will tase you if you don't put your hand behind your back.
I walk on you.
Put your hand behind your back.
Look, you're gonna get tased again. Put your hand behind your back.
Put your hand behind your back. I will tase you again.
She resisted arrest and was drive stunned 3 times. Under the Supreme Court case Graham versus Connor, that force holds up a felony suspect. Non-stop resistance, repeated escape attempts. Her fighting also pushes the resisting charge toward its own felony.
1033 representation.
She acts like she has seizures. She hasn't once had a seizure this whole time.
5448.
5448. One to change. 1071. One to change. 1071.
I don't know what's in her purse.
1071. Reference Whiskey Foxtrot.
Taser 3. Drives under 3 times.
Drive stunned 3 times.
Do y'all want me to run that video for you of all that?
3 copies, please.
December 33, thank you. It's 589 Denver.
Roll it.
She's breathing.
Wiry little thing.
I was fighting her a good bit before you came in. Couldn't get my radio to go out.
Yeah. I was right there at the red light.
She had those. She threw them. me see how she has it.
54, I got it, buddy. Thank you.
Here's my other.
Ooh, I'm gonna need a drink after this one.
I was trying to avoid the computers.
I will say it's never happened, so.
Oh, she was fine until I told her she was going with me because it's 1300.
Ooh.
Yeah.
Y'all do want to press charges, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what the that's why I read that too.
Where am I?
You're not getting up.
You're not going nowhere.
Do not do it again.
What?
Look, it's all done and over with.
It's all on
You're
camera.
in cuffs.
What is?
We got EMS coming to check you out, then you're going to jail.
And I will sit on you at the hospital, so you ain't going home tonight.
Just rest your head right there on my boot. I'm going to let you know. Don't do nothing stupid. Just relax. Walmart. Don't move. Keep your head. Keep your head on my boot. Keep your head on my boot.
I'm just saying.
You made me get my pants all dirty, man.
Yeah, mine too.
I'm sorry.
She's gotta learn it one day.
No, I feel so bad for her. She's a door host, and I was like, hey, I need you in the office. Like, it won't be bad.
No, it wasn't bad at first until I told her that she was going to jail.
Yeah, that'll do it.
I was fighting for a good bit before you.
Well, we kept hearing somebody key up. We thought it was 5585.
No, it was me. It wasn't going out, and I was like, oh my god. I almost told them to call.
But for a second there, when I knocked on the door, I could hear you.
I didn't know who it was, so I didn't want to open the door. She was trying to get out.
Yeah, well, I could hear you, and then I was like, crap, hope she's not there by herself. So that's why I started hitting on the door. My bad.
No, you're good, man.
Oh, I opened the door for you. Once you started banging like you did, I opened the door.
Yeah, because it was either the door, either somebody was going to open the door, or I was coming through it. And those are not easy doors to come through, but anything's possible.
You kick that door open, you would fuck me up.
You probably fucked me up too. I wasn't
It
kind
would not have been the first heavy door I've ever busted down either.
I just didn't want her to get out the door.
Yeah, which
That's what I was thinking. Like, I wanted to let her go because you were here, but
No,
wanted to.
she's fine. I was avoiding this area because I didn't want more damage.
You all right? What's your name? Hey, what's your name?
You.
What's your name? Yeah, I'll once EMS gets here and we confirm you'll calm down, I'll fix your cuffs for you, okay? But it's going to be extremely uncomfortable until then because your hands were all cattywampus when I put them on.
I don't know what my taser did, but it started going off like I shot it, and
Let's see.
I didn't shoot it. I just drive stunned her. Unless she hit it like my last one.
You're a wiry little thing.
But she was climbing up the damn wall with you.
My baby daddy beats me, and I just can't help but react.
But that's not how we act.
I know, but I'm sorry.
That's how you get more charges.
I understand. It's just an automatic reaction for me for some reason at this point.
Well,
Even I
sorry
sat you
that
down and told you if we need to talk to calm down, we can.
I'm sorry.
And you kept on.
I just can't. For some reason, I just react that way. I don't know how I got beaten, and I'm sorry.
I did give her an out in between it. Because I had her sitting and I told her to calm. I can tell you fighting like that gives you another charge. You need to think about the things you do before you do them.
I just can't help but react that way for some reason. It doesn't even matter if it's physical automatically. It's just the mental,
I'm sorry you had that kind of issues in your life.
Just
But,
talking, it changed how I react to things.
but when you do illegal things, there's a good chance we're going to get involved, which
I
means
know.
you got to understand that there's a good chance you're going to jail.
There's so many resources you can go to that can give you food and stuff like that for your family. I don't know what was in your buggy, but for $1,300 worth of stuff is a lot. Okay, there are organizations that can help you with that. And this isn't your first time, because they have multiple times of Putnam and Gainesville of pictures of you doing the same thing.
Like I said, my pet seizures and
Seizures don't make you
Good.
steal. She has a cut here. I think that's from hitting her head. You want... Here, I'll let you in.
Hey,
She says she has had a seizure. But the whole time we were fighting, she didn't have a seizure until she was put in cuffs. Oh, I'll sit with her at the hospital.
She
I've already told her
picked up
that.
and rode the wall upwards.
She climbed up the wall.
She was drive stunned, not tased, because obviously she's got no taser. What, 3 times?
Yes.
3 times before twice before my arrival.
It was 2 connections. The third time, the middle time it was doing weird.
Paramedics, we're going to put a little thing on your finger. I know you're in kind of an uncomfortable position.
What do you want? That's her name.
Yep, all's good. Okay.
All your members are good.
Anything, stuff I was.
She decided to fight.
Oh.
So.
Just want to make sure.
I was fighting for a good minute before my other person came in. But nothing's damaged. Well, we're pressing charges now, so.
Right.
We normally don't have problems here. Now, if it was under 750, I would have said I was just going to send charges up and she'd go. But with it being a felony charge, she was gone.
The grades. Officer, B-. Lawful force. But going hands-on alone created the fight. Subject, F. Resistance turned one charge into several. Loss prevention, B+. Textbook detention. The lesson, fight your case in court. Never in cuffs. Drop your thoughts below. And check out Street Bodycam for more. Thanks for watching.
5397, where you at?
Stop! I'm in Walmart.
No, I can't. I cannot.
240 was that they were in the end.
I've tased her twice.
Get that down, you know. Give me the cuffs.
They're over there.
No.
I don't want this door.
Stop.
Settle down.
No.
Stop.
No.
Where are your cuffs?
No.
Come on.
No. No.